Welcome to our channel Food Hive and let's prepare something yummy.
Today we are going to prepare spaghetti white sauce noodles. Note down the ingredients needed. Take a deep pot or wok and add 2 tablespoons of oil and heat it. Then add 1 tablespoon of chopped garlic and saute for few seconds. Add 1 medium-sized sliced onion and green chili or capsicum and saute for a while. Take all out and we will add it later. Now add 2 tablespoons of butter or oil and heat it. Now add half cup of all-purpose flour. Saute and roast for 3 to 5 minutes in medium-low flame. Now add 2 cups of milk little by little and mix it well till it gets thick. Add previously prepared items and mix it well. Now add 1 teaspoon of oregano, chili flakes, black pepper powder and pasta masala. And mix all seasoning well. Add salt as per taste. Now add 50 grams of cheese and a lot more if you love it. Let cheese melt, mix it well. And let white sauce boil. Adjust thickness if needed by adding milk or water. Now add boiled spaghetti or noodles 3 cups. And mix it well. Now your white sauce spaghetti is ready to serve hot, with fresh vegetable salad.
Tell us in comments if you liked our recipes, and for more awesome recipes from Food Hive, please subscribe, like and share.